So students, we are now moving on to our sixth part. Okay, what is the equation given here? 6x plus 3y equals to 6xy and 2x plus 4y equals to 5xy. So what should be our first step? First of all, we will divide both sides by xy. Is that clear? Why we are doing? Because यहाँ पे हमें अगर xy से divide करेंगे, so we will get a constant in RHS. यहाँ पे हमें कांस्टेंट 6 मिल जाएगा, यहाँ पे हमें कांस्टेंट 5 मिल जाएगा. सो डिवाइडिंग बोथ इक्वेशंस बाय एक्स वाई ऑन बोथ साइड्स, what we will get? 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy equals to 6xy upon xy. Similarly, 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy equals to 5xy upon xy. Is that clear, students? I hope ये clear हो गया होगा. Now, you can see here that x and x gets cancelled, here y and y gets cancelled, यहाँ पे भी x y पूरा cancel हो जाएगा. In the same way, here x gets cancelled, here y gets cancelled और यहाँ पे भी x y जो है वो cancel हो जाएगा. This means what? We are left with what? 6 upon y plus 3 upon x equals to 6 and 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equals to 5. So this can be written as what? 6 into 1 upon y plus 3 into 1 upon x equals to 6. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. प्रीवियस सम में भी हमने ऐसे ही किया है. Similarly, you can write this as 2 into 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon x equals to 5. Now let us put 1 upon x equals to u and 1 upon y equal to v. Let us put 1 upon x equals to u and 1 upon y equals to v. So you will get what? This implies you will get 6v plus 3u equals to 6, and this is your first equation. Similarly, 2 into 1 upon y can be written as what? 2v plus 4u equals to 5, and this is your second equation. Is that clear? Now what we can do further? अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Let us solve this by method of elimination. इसको elimination method से अगर इसको solve करें, so now you can see here that here you can divide both sides by 3. Okay, equation 1 को throughout 3 से divide कर सकते हैं. So dividing equation 1 by 3 on both sides, you will get what? Here you will get what? आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा 3 2s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3, so here it will be u and here it will be 2. Okay, so this is your first equation. मतलब आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को थ्रू आउट 3 से डिवाइड कर दिया, सो मीनिंग विल नॉट बी चेंज. सो लेट अस कंसिडर दिस इक्वेशन एज ऑल्सो आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. Okay, now you can see here that in equation 1 and equation 2, and this is, I am rewriting this as what? हम इसको वापस से लिख दे रहे हैं वैसे ही, बिकॉज यहाँ से तो कुछ डिवाइड होने वाला है नहीं. सो वी आर हैविंग अवर टू इक्वेशंस. What? First is 2v plus u equals to 2 and second is 2v plus 4u equals to 5. I have written this second equation as it is. Is that clear? So now by elimination method you can see here that the coefficient of v is equal on both the sides. दोनों साइड में coefficient of v क्या है? Same. So therefore solving equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. Solving equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. So what we will get? Equation 1 is what? 2v plus u equals to 2, and second equation is what? 2v plus 4u equals to 5. So we will solve this, students. So now you can see here that signs are same, so we have to change the sign of second equation. Okay, or in other words we can say that we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. हमको equation 2 को subtract करना पड़ेगा equation 1 से, because the signs of the coefficient of v are what same, दोनों के साइन सेम है तो ये कैंसिल तो हो नहीं पाएंगे, so we have to change the sign. So plus 2v will become minus 2v, plus 4u will become minus 4u, and plus 5 will become what, minus 5. So 2v and minus 2v gets cancelled, and plus u minus 4u will be equal to what, minus 3u. Similarly 2 minus 5 will be what, minus 3. So this implies u equals to minus 3 upon minus 3 or u equals to 1. So this is your value of u. Now हम u की वैल्यू 1 जो है वो दोनों इक्वेशन में से किसी में भी पुट कर सकते हैं. So let us put the value of u in equation 1. So putting u equals to 1 in equation number 1, what we will get, equation 1 is what, 2v plus u equals to 2. So we will write what, 2v plus, in place of u we will write what, we will write 1 equals to 2. So this implies 2v equals to 2 minus 1, or 2v equals to 1, or this implies v equals to 1 by 2. So our value of v is coming what, 1 by 2. Is that clear? Now हमको x y निकालना है बिकॉज हमारे इक्वेशन में x और y के टर्म थे. सो नाउ since u equals to 1, therefore 1 upon x equals to 1. Why? Because we have taken u as what, 1 upon x. Therefore यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं कि since u हमने क्या माना था, 1 upon x, therefore in place of u I have written 1 upon x. Now taking reciprocals on both sides, दोनों साइड हम reciprocal लेंगे, or you can do by cross multiplication. So we will get what, x equal to 1. This is basic simple mathematics, आपको ये पता होनी चाहिए. Similarly, and since हमारा v कितना है, v is what, 1 by 2. So this implies 1 upon y equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because we have written v as 1 upon y, therefore v की जगह हम 1 upon y लिख देंगे. So taking reciprocals, so this will become what, y equals to 2. So your final answers are what? So your final answers are what? X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So this is the required solution of your sixth part. Is that clear, students? So in this video we have seen our sixth part. Thank you.